guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing my college move-in vlog. I'm moving into my very first apartment. I'm so excited. I just got ready. Literally the only reason I got ready is for this vlog for you. I'm about to leave in about 20 minutes. I have a few other things I need to pack and then I just want to get dressed really quickly and then we are good to go. My move-in time is 9 o'clock, so I want to get there a little bit early. Kind of confusing. I'm living in a 5-bedroom apartment and I accidentally messed up my room assignment with my roommate, so we need to get there at the exact same time because the key they're giving me is her room key and the key that they're giving her is my room key. We don't feel like changing it right now because we feel like they already have so much going on that we'll just switch it ourselves and then get them to officially switch it when move-in is over. Just gonna finish packing up all my last minute stuff and then we're good to go. I put sunscreen on my face, but I want to put it like on my shoulders because it is 118 degrees outside today. Love that for us. Another thing about my move today, one of my roommates, I have 4 roommates, so there's 5 of us all together. One of them actually was able to move in early and then she went out of town, so she gave me and my other roommate her keys. So me and my other roommate just put some of our stuff in our living room because we didn't have the keys to our bedroom yet, but we had the keys to like the living room and the main space. So most of my stuff is already there. I was gonna vlog it, but honestly like the main part that's exciting of a move-in vlog is not loading and unloading your boxes. It also would have been such an inconvenience to like set up the camera, make it all perfect, then like start unloading the boxes, then turn the camera off, unset it up, then go upstairs, set the, you know, it just would have been a whole thing. I didn't do that because I didn't want to inconvenience the people helping me. This is my outfit. I feel like I look like I'm wearing like a full one piece. My stuff's already at the apartment except for I have a few things that I'm bringing. I'm so excited to show you guys the apartment. I probably should leave in like 10 minutes, but I want to leave now because I'm impatient. Got my mask. It's gonna be a good time. Here's the room. It's cute. One issue already is that this bar is not big enough for this. It's not long enough to be on both. I don't know how the person last year did it. Here's the whole place. It's messy right now. My roommate's stuff, my stuff, and then there's more rooms down there.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand.
A little update on where we're at. I haven't really moved anything in. I feel like this is low-key crooked. I moved my bed into the center of the wall. There's not that much walking space, but it'll be easier for filming if I do that. We have all this stuff. I really haven't moved anything in besides moving my furniture. The maintenance guy came because they messed up my roommate's key, and I asked him about this because this was like pushed off, but now there's still like a little, this is actually a lot better than what it used to be because this thing right here was like pushed all the way out, but I think I'm just gonna like shove something in there to make it easier. I'm waiting to do that because I don't want to put my clothes on there and have everything fall. Here's the room so far, the view, really cute, good lighting. Look at how pretty. There's no lights. Oh my god, did people draw on the ceiling? That's so fun. I'm not gonna do that, but I think the next thing that I want to do is put my clothes away in these dressers, but I think I'm gonna wipe them down first. My roommate was so sweet and let me borrow these, so thank you.
I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you.
Just finished all my clothes. These drawers close. Is this not gonna close? They close so interesting. You have to like really push to them. I think the next thing that I want to do is make my bed.
I got you.
Finished making my bed. I think it looks really good. Here she is, as if you didn't already see her like 5 seconds ago when I was filming it. This is my headboard, and there's already a headboard on the bed, and so we're either going to see if it can come off, or I'll just literally put the headboard on either in front of it or behind it. As you guys saw, we put the headboard on behind it, but when I was making my bed, it like low-key was falling, and I really didn't want it to either fall on me or like bang a hole into the wall. I think it looks so comfy and cute. This actually sheds a ton. I don't know if you guys can see, you can't really see all the fuzz on me, but there's a ton of fuzz on these pillows, and one of my subscribers actually said that she saw a review about the, oh, you can see like, okay, bad example because it's like just one little hair, but they're everywhere. Someone said that they read a review online that it sheds a ton. I literally think I'm going to take a lint roller and just roll everything down and to get all the extra things off, but I think it looks so good. I'm so obsessed. I love it. Also, my mom is the sweetest human being ever. She got me a little card and then a Trader Joe's gift card. Mom hid it in my bedding. I'm not gonna cry. I love you, Mom. I know you're watching this. I love you. Also, look at the ceilings. I never showed you guys that. I actually have seen people that live here before put lights around these, like just twinkle lights, which could be a move, could be cute. So bright in here that I have to like adjust the lighting constantly, and I just need to get used to that. When I was moving, I accidentally chipped this, so I need to like give it a couple of paint coats. I have a decision that I need to make. I'm not sure where I want to put this mirror. It's so cute. It's a standing mirror, so I can either flatten it and put it up against a wall or put it in the corner like it is here. I have a few ideas. This is by the wall, or I could put it right there by my bed, or I could put it right here. I'm nervous to move it around because I don't want to break it. I feel like I would normally put it here, but I bought this thing. So freaking cute. It's like a little hook thing with a mirror. I feel like would go really good right there or like right here. I could put it there, but my issue with that is going to be in the background of all the pictures I take here. I know that's like stupid. I don't want to put this here, put the hooks there and be like, oh, I don't like that, and then like have to take it off the wall. I just feel like that'll be annoying. So I feel like I need to figure out where I want to put this first, and then I can figure out where I want to put this guy. But this would be nice to put like my mask and operation. Let's figure out where to put the mirror.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
The next thing that I want to do is go through these drawers and then start organizing them. My roommate is next door. She's on a Zoom meeting, so I'm gonna try to be decently, well, like actually pretty quiet so I don't interrupt her. But I want to put like my everyday like makeup, skincare, regular makeup that I don't use every day, products that I use like hair, body, and then maybe I can have a drawer for like school or something like that. I brought so much less makeup than I did previous years. I brought like a fourth of what I did in the past because I never used it, and I was like, why am I bringing all this if I'm not using it? I know that people are going to give me crap for how much stuff it is, but trust me, it's an improvement. So let's just baby steps, baby steps. Also really loving the mirror here. This is such a weird angle.
Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Better feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb.
We have finally finished the drawers. This is my everyday makeup or like stuff that I kind of switch out through. This is my this is my skincare drawer. My Q-tips literally went crazy. I have all my makeup, my masks, and then like palettes, sunglasses, and then I have some hair stuff back there. This is such an improvement because if you guys saw any of my videos last year, I had this entire drawer filled with makeup. The fact that I literally have just half a drawer is amazing to me. And then this drawer stresses me out, but this is like all my body hair products. It does stress me out. It does. I probably should go through and like organize it a little bit better, a lot better, but that like there's so many more important things to do right now. This is my techie drawer. I wonder if I have any more of these because I could use that to organize in here. I have cleaner, my speaker and headphones, and then I have less important techie stuff. I have more important techie stuff. Like I have like my chargers and adapters and like stuff that I use every day in here that I don't want to like get lost or take a while to find. So I'm actually going to end this video here. This video had to be broken up into 2 parts because it was so long. The next video I show you guys like me doing my bathroom and like decorating my room, putting up all my stuff. So get excited for that. That'll be the next video. If you guys are not subscribed, subscribe. We're almost at 400,000, which is like the craziest thing ever. And if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow me there. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.